Itong apat na witness na ito, actually there are others. They are witness to the vote buying that took place 1 week, that culminated in April 24 and 25 in Cabuyao. So, because they have personal knowledge, and because siguro nagising na sila na they wanted a fair and honest to goodness election, they decided to file this case. Now, siguro naman nabalitaan nyo na meron pang mas nauna na nag-file ng kaso. Pero I have no personal knowledge.
So, iba pa yan,
Case.
sir?
Iba-iba pa yung nauna, pero I think this is still the same. Kabuyaw din yun eh. Ang kaso yun. So, briefly, what about the case? Nagsimula ang kasong yan, gawa sa health card na to. Gawa sa health card. Dito nagsimula ang systemic massive vote buying conspiracy to commit vote buying by means of this health card. Ano itong health card na ito? This is the health card of the province of Laguna. Nalagay dito, serbisyong tama health card. Tapos, may QR code. Tapos, Governor R. Hernandez. So, ibig sabihin, ginamit ang resources ng probinsya. Ginamit ang resources ng probinsya para gumawa ng systemic vote buying. Okay? Kasi, may pera dito eh. These are taxpayers' money. Malaki to, maraming nagamit na health card na ito. So, what happened? Nagtipon-tipon sa Pasiano Terminal sa Calamba.